This is one of the most wanted and sold out product on our website. So if you look at this beautiful tip, it has 4 sharp micro points, and this is useful to draw hair-like strokes. So one of the best things about this product is it is waterproof and sweat-proof. So you can always wear it in the morning if you want to go for a workout or for a business meeting. It is easy and it is light on your skin. Always with this product, little is more, which means gentle strokes darken after a few hours and it stays put for hours together. So now let me show you how it works on our brows. So here I'm drawing the hair-like strokes, very light and gentle, working up the peak of our brows, gently filling it in the ends. This is best for the brows that have bald spots. It looks very natural and clean. And it doesn't even wipe out. With gentle strokes, just filling in the areas that need the strokes here. This is an absolute go-to product for any girl because it is light, it lasts for 16 hours. It is waterproof, smudge-proof, and sweat-proof. This is the best product out in the market.